Want to leave or delete a group chat on WhatsApp, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to leave a WhatsApp group chat and how to delete a group chat if you're an admin. Now let's get started. To leave a group chat on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and open the group chat you want to leave. Then tap the group name at the top. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Exit Group. To confirm, tap Exit Group. If you want to delete a group chat that you created or that you're an admin of, so the group no longer exists, here's how to do that. To start, open the group chat you want to delete. Tap the group name at the top. You'll then need to remove each of the members of the group. Tap a group member's name, then scroll down and tap Remove from Group. Tap Remove to confirm. Repeat to remove all group members. Then go back to the group menu and scroll to the bottom. Tap Exit Group. Tap Exit Group to confirm. Once the group is empty, you can tap Delete Group. Then tap Delete Group to confirm. Note that once you delete a group, it will be gone for good and not able to be restored. So be sure you want to delete it before you go through with this process. That's all it takes to delete a group chat on WhatsApp. Want to learn how to sort your WhatsApp chats? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.